So if you're wondering why the market is extremely choppy right now, Jerome Powell is actually live. Feel free to check this out. He's actually speaking in a discussion right now at a college. And this live stream is set to last about an hour to an hour and a half from when it started, which is about 33 minutes ago. It started at 11 a.m. Eastern time. We made you aware of this yesterday, as I like to try to keep you guys up to date on either economic reports or events where Fed officials begin to speak, and it could change the tone of market sentiment. So again, 11 a.m. he has a discussion. It's going to last for about an hour to an hour and a half. Overall market's pretty choppy. I like never sell at a good price point. I always either sell too early, and that's really like the main thing. But man, today during today's live trading session with the LPP team, I sold so close to the overall highs of 1638. I just wanted to play it safe. I left myself with my one lucky share and I walked away with $3,600 on the day from overall lows to overall highs. That has to be now like one of my most ideal exits. Now that it pulled back enough and now that the market is showing signs of a slight resistance at these overbought levels, I'm going to wait for proper confirmation. But this is the beautiful thing about selling and being cash, is that once it does pull on back, now I'm given a second opportunity to be able to buy the dip and then make money if it actually recovers. And that's so amazing. When it comes down to the economic reports that were released today, they came in as expected. We had the S&P PMI coming in as expected, the same as prior. We have the ISM Manufactured Index coming in at 46.7, which was a little bit lower than what was expected, but nothing significant. And construction spending coming in at 0.6 versus the expectation of 0.3%. Overall, market's not doing anything crazy. If you look at the overall market right now on the 4-hour time frame for QQQ, you can see that we're still trying to see. The market's still trying to identify. I mean, there's no reason to try to predict, right? If the market is going to continue to rally or break below the EMA line on this 4-hour time frame and actually begin to sell off. We are still uncertain. No one knows. No one knows what's going to happen. And this is where it pays to be patient. Because if you enter a hopeful position today that you might end up regretting next week, you're not giving yourself the chance to succeed, right? So I really hope that you look out for your future self and you don't enter a position too early thinking something has to happen when it actually doesn't. I don't care if you're short, I don't care if you're long, right? When it comes down to these overall positions, there's a reason we're locking in profits and playing it safe today, and it's because market direction is still very unclear. There's huge upside potential. There's no reason to try to rush into an early short position on the overall NASDAQ market, so let's not get it twisted. I am very excited to update you guys on my General Motors short position and to see if I can walk away with another $20,000 day, but I'll just keep you guys posted if you're part of my LPP team in the trade ideas section. Other than that, it looks like NASDAQ is beginning to form a reversal, so it might be time to enter a quick little day trade on SQQQ, but I'll keep you up to date in the trade ideas within LPP. Other than that, I do want to make you guys aware that there are only 2 days left. Our BMW M4 giveaway ends on December 3rd, which means that you have 2 days left to enter. Right now, we're doing 20x entries, which means every dollar you spend equals 20 automatic entries for anything you purchase on the site. We even have new apparel that's very popular right now. The FU, or Go F Yourself, Elon Musk Vintage Tee. It gets you 1,000 entries. A Wall Street tank top, 700 entries. Insider Trader of the Year, 800 entries. Or Buy the F and Dip, that's 800 entries. These are all available at shoptechbutts.com. And yes, our previous GTR giveaway winner bought a license plate frame for 15 bucks on the final week of our GTR giveaway and walked away with $50,000 cash. So if you don't enter this giveaway, this BMW M4 or 50K cash is going to someone else. And every order placed today gets you 20x entries for both vehicles, the M4 and the Tesla Model 3. So what are you waiting for? Click the 4th link in the description down below or head on over to shoptechbutts.com and enter before it's too late. Also, if you want to be able to watch me trade live as soon as Monday, I trade live every single morning exclusively with our LPP team, and that is the 2nd link in the description down below. I hope and wish you guys an amazing Friday and weekend. Please be safe, but please, most importantly, do not enter a position you're going to end up regretting on Monday. Stay cash, stay light, and like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team.